Welcome friends, in this new video we see about the trapezoidal rule. We deduce this trapezoidal rule from general quadrature formula. We have seen the how to deduce the general quadrature formula in the previous video. Now let us deduce the trapezoidal rule. Friends, I will write the general quadrature formula first. Integration x0 to x0 plus nh of y into dx equal to h into n into y0 plus n square divided by 2 into delta y0 plus n cube divided by 3 minus n square divided by 2 delta square y0 divided by 2 factorial plus n raised to 4 divided by 4 minus n cube plus n square into delta cube y0 divided by 3 factorial plus n plus 1 terms up to n plus 1 terms. So this is the general quadrature formula. Now friend, in this general quadrature formula we put n is equal to 1 and neglect second and higher derivative. Second and all higher derivative we neglect, higher derivatives. So here we are substituting integration x0 to x0 plus h y into dx equal to h into n is equal to 1. So y0 plus 1 divided by 2 into delta y0, neglecting all other terms. H into y0 plus 1 by 2 into delta y0 means y1 minus y0 equal to h into 1 y1 plus this 1 and this half. So we get half y1 plus y0 divided by 2. Therefore we have the integration x0 to x0 plus h from h divided by 2 y0 plus y1. Now if we similarly if we calculate the integration x0 plus h to x0 plus 2h, x0 plus 2h x into dx, y into dx, h divided by 2 y1 plus y2. So similarly integration x0 plus 2h to x0 plus 3h y into dx equal to h by 2 y2 plus y3, and integration x0 plus n minus 1 into h to x0 plus nh y dx equal to h by 2 into yn minus 1 plus yn. So adding all these integrations, so we have the integration x0 to x0 plus nh y into dx equal to h by 2 as a common. So whenever we have h by 2 is common, then everywhere the first term is y0 plus y1, second one is y1 plus y1 plus y2, plus third one is y2 plus y3 plus last term is yn minus 1 plus yn. So look at this, we have y1 y2 y3 similarly yn minus 1, and we single terms is only these are two terms are single, y0 and yn. So this is equal to h divided by 2 into y0 plus yn as a single, and all other terms are twice. So y1 plus y2 plus yn minus 1. So in this way we get the integration x0 to x0 plus nhy into dx, and this is called as a trapezoidal rule. So friend, Thank you for watching this video.